extended landing gear for the Mavic Mini / DJI Mini 2. And I do believe they say this fits on the Mini 2 SE. So we'll have to take a look at that and find out. And here's a little pamphlet of the installation. Here is the landing gear. So it has the holes for the sensor in the bottom. Everything's all laid out. Oh, it does clip in there. There's a little landing gear. Now I bought this for keeping that drone up off the dirt as much as possible because, hey, them propellers get turning and blowing dust and or landing grass. Yeah. Geez, somebody's in a hurry. So anyways, that's the landing gear. Now, does that fold all the way out? Must. So anyways, let's take a look and put this on the drone and see what it looks like. So as you can see, there's a drone. Can't wait to get my case for it. So let's pull that out. And here we'll set this down on the bed. Slide this up. And we'll just see if this actually fits on the drone. So let me get this clipped on there and we'll see. Okay, there it is. It's installed. And it's quite finicky, I can tell you that. So the legs do fold out and they click in. You see the little brackets there. So it does not obstruct the sensors on the bottom or the power. And it does have a little hook it goes up into right there. But as you can see, it locks in on the sides right there, which is not 100%, but it does stay on there. Yeah. And you set it down and see how much more elevated it is off the ground. Especially the back ones. These are down lower than the front because you have these arms, right? But yeah, you set it down, it's a lot better. I like the fact that they fold up and lock in. And then when you set your drone down in your case, you don't have to take it off all the time. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Just a quick unboxing. It's nothing expensive. It's just a landing gear. Keeps your drone up off the ground for $8. Well, I find it's worth it. Anything happens to it, they do replace them. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, you guys.